The Pune Porsche case. Now, the 17-year-old boy who allegedly knocked down two young IT professionals with his luxury Porsche car on the 19th of May has been admitted to the Pune police that he was heavily drunk while driving while the incident occurred. Now, as per reports, the teen was tight-lipped during questioning and was interrogated in the presence of his mother. He also reportedly informed the officials that he did not remember what all took place that night completely. Meanwhile, on the other hand, a Pune court has remanded the parents of the 17-year-old to police custody till the 5th of June in a case pertaining to the destruction of evidence. They are, of course, accused of tampering with blood samples to save their son. The minor boy struck and killed two IT professionals travelling on a motorbike in the Kalyani Nagar area of Pune last month. Now, following the incident, there were attempts to save the accused, cover up the crime and establish that he was also not drunk while driving. So these were, of course, several attempts to cover up. Their driver was also forced to take the blame for him. Blood samples, of course, as I stated earlier, were tampered with as well. Two doctors were in fact arrested with regards to this matter. It was later found out that the blood sample that was swapped with that of the minor boy belonged to his mother. Meanwhile, my colleague Prathamesh joins us on the broadcast to share more details. Prathamesh, it seems that the minor has now admitted to the police that he was heavily drunk while driving that fateful night when the accident had occurred and the lives of two innocent people were claimed.
The investigation is still going on. In that investigation, when the police is doing investigation, in that minor has accepted that he was drunk at that night and he was driving the vehicle. When the questions was asked about the blood manipulation, because in this blood manipulation, two doctors, one peon of the Sassoon General Hospital, then mother is been arrested in this. When this question was been asked to him, at that time his answer was, I don't know, I don't remember because I was in the alcohol, because I drank all alcohol. So I don't remember anything. His answer was that on the question asked by the police. In this case, now the first of all the father arrest happened. Then after that grandfather. Then now the mother. Like a whole family there is involved in this case, and now the arrest has been taking place. Daily new developments in this story is coming place over here in Pune, and also the father and mother is been sent to the police custody till the June 5th as they are having the allegation that the mother has changed the sample of the minor and gave her blood sample for the testing. After that, when the blood report came, the police had something that there is something tampered with the evidence. When police started investigating on this, the two doctors of the Sassoon General Hospital, they arrested them, and also one peon of that hospital. After that, they got 3 lakhs of rupees from them, and it has been said that the family has provided them the 3 lakhs of rupees to change this report. Then after that, the mother was been also arrested in this case, same case of the blood manipulation. After that, the police is now investigating with the minor as well. Minor is been asked questions: what had happened on that night? What did he do? Where did he go? Where did he drink alcohol? Everything they are asking on that in the presence of mother, because he is a minor, and in the presence of mother and also the juvenile police, they need to ask the questions and all. So the investigation is now taking place.
All right.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.